Here's how to create a Canvas teacher account. First thing you're going to need to do is you need to type in Canvas infrastructure for teacher. Here's how to create a Canvas account for teacher. First thing you do is you type in Canvas infrastructure teacher login. When you type this in, even if you don't have an account, you just want to click on this option right here by infrastructure the website. When you click on this, you want to scroll down and click on the login option right here. Once here, you click on the Canvas login option where you can actually click on create an account right here at the top above the email and login. Once here, you can click on teacher, student, or parent depending on what type of account you would like to create. In this case, we want to create a teacher account, so you want to enter in your email address, full name, that you agree, and you're not a robot. Once you enter in this info, you click on get started and you'll actually be signed up for a teacher account on Canvas. And all you need to do to start a new course is you click on this option in the bottom right corner of the screen called start new course, where you can actually create a new course, and you can actually click on create and you can modify your course like so with images, text, assignments, and so on. And you can actually go to the dashboard and just use this Canvas dashboard as so. And that's all you need to do to create a teacher account on Canvas.